Hi everyone. So here we are finally in 2021, the year we were all waiting for. This year is all about us, this year is all about you. It's all about polishing those old skills and learning new techniques. Well, if you are new to this channel, then my name is Bhupender Singh. I am an Abu Dhabi based content creator, and if you are an already subscribed member, then welcome back. So I've been getting a lot of requests to put out some basic video editing tutorials. So now is the time. So if you don't have this app yet, then please pause this video right now, go to the link below, download the free trial, install, and then resume this video. And if you already have this software and been using the software, then this video can still help you improve your editing skills and show you some quick ways to organize your files, improve your editing, and improve your workflow. Of course, there are a lots of tutorials online and blogs, but a lot of them I noticed were old. And last year in 2020, Final Cut Pro has already updated a lot of these features. So here we are learning all about the new skills that will make your editing look like a pro and will improve the way you make your videos by keeping it easy and simple. So let's do it. So here we are in Final Cut Pro. Let's create a library. I'm going to name it Drone Video Test. Then let's create a new project. You can name your project anything. For this video's purpose, I'm gonna name it for YouTube. The video resolution, I'm gonna leave it for 4K and 24p. Let's click OK. So now let's import all our clips and music. You can just select all of them and drag it here. You can see the progress of your import here. Here's another way you can import media, but I prefer to use this drop and drag. I find it much easier. So now that the clips and the audio is already here in Final Cut Pro, let's start our video editing. One of the very basic thing about video editing is that your clips should change as per the beats. Let's find out all the high beats. So these are the points where the clips should change or have some impact. To make my editing flow easier, what I like to do, I like to listen the entire audio clip, and using the M button on the keypad, I like to put the marks, and these are the moments where I will be changing the clips or I will be including a transitions. You can easily delete or move these points anywhere around. Now you can see that I'm expanding and adjusting the mark points. You can easily delete, like how I did. The mark points that I have used aligns with the high notes in the music. So like this one goes with this high note and likewise. And now the mark points are adjusted. The interface of Final Cut Pro is very easy. You have all the clips on your left, the basic transition on the center, the effects on your right, and the basic edited videos, clips, and soundtrack at the bottom. Now looking at the video clip, you can directly play from the project inspector, easily select from where you want the video to start. Like I mentioned, these marking points are very important because this is where your change of clip and the transition should match with the beats, and it will look very pleasing to the viewer. I'm just adjusting the speed of this video by using Command R. You can slow down the video or you can speed up the video. So here I think this video looks fine now. With this continuation, let's bring another clip. Let's keep the same speed, 80%, and I think it looks good here. Now I'm checking what should be the next continuation. So this video is from my 7 days scuba diving trip in Raja Ampat, and I always used to spot this little shark who was always visiting us. So here's the little shark, and let's go on. Let's see where the video goes. Okay, and I think should be fine here, and I think it should be fine here. Okay, let's play it again. Yeah, looks good. Maybe a little bit, maybe this much speed. Yep. Now let's look for the next clip. Okay, where is the shark? Okay, the shark is here. All right, let's look for the start point. This looks fine. Okay, very easy, drag and drop. Let's extend from both the end, and Yeah, right there. So I'm quickly gonna fast forward this, and now that I have selected all the videos and I've created the entire story. Alright, so this part is done. Now let's go and get this adjustment tool. I will share a link down below. Let's go to effects. Let's look for letterbox. So we will get those nice cinematic black borders. Okay, you can adjust. Let's see how it looks. Okay, this looks fine. It's okay. Alright. So this looks good. So now let's add those amazingly looking color details, which is called LUTs. So you can download MLUTs. I will share the link below as well. It's a beautiful application that will enhance the color of your videos. It comes with few free LUTs. At the same time, you can also buy lots and lots of LUTs. These are some of the LUTs that I bought from Sam Kolder and his creative teams. So I'm just gonna try and see which one looks good. Let's see, and if it matches the overall look of the video. Okay, not this, not this. You can select easily. You can choose if it's matching the rest of the videos as well. And you can quickly see in a preview. Let's see if this one looks good. No, maybe this one, or maybe this one. Let's see if the free LUTs look good. Okay, I think I prefer this one. Okay, maybe this one. All right, so you can see that the intensity is still very strong. You can easily adjust the intensity of the LUT. Here I'm reducing it a lot, and each aspect of the LUT, including highlight, midtone, shadows, grain, contrast, you can adjust according to the choice of your taste and according to the choice of the overall story of the video. After these few adjustments with the LUT, let's see how is the video showing up. Okay, looks good. All right. Okay, let's decrease the opacity for the LUT. So now let's expand the adjustment tool layer. Let's click on option K, you get this mark. Let's click option K again, you get another mark. And let's put the opacity to ease. This gives that cinematic opening and closing scene. Now let's get some transitions done. For this video's purpose, I'm using a very basic cross dissolve transition between the clips, and you can see how it goes from one video to another video, and it gives that very smooth transitioning effect. Of course, you can increase and decrease the duration of each transition, and you can adjust it according to your taste. And yeah, it's very simple, just drop and drag. You can remove certain parts. So now that the transitions are added, let's add some sound effects. In the entire video, you can see the elements of water, birds and boat. So these are the basic and very important background music that I will be using right now. Let's choose and adjust these sound effects. And of course, you can also import or create your own sound effects. But Final Cut Pro, they already are inbuilt with lots and lots of sound effects. You can easily choose, alter and design depending on your need. So now that the sound effects are added, we can still fine tune some of the transition, some of the sound effects. I think it's over here, and yeah, maybe we can just drag and drop this one here. Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe, yeah, okay. All right. I'm also gonna incorporate a fade out and fade in kind of music effects, which you can easily do by just dragging these points from both the end. You can drag it as much as you want. You get that cinematic fade out effect and fade in effect, and you select all the selected clips, adjustment tool, the background music and the sound effect, and you can go and click on render all. Here you can see the rendering process. These small dots indicate how much the rendering has been completed. And I'm gonna fast forward from here. Alright, so now that the rendering is completed, let's have a final look at the video. Okay, and still I'm gonna adjust some of these details and some of this sound effects. I'm just gonna increase and decrease the strength of the background sound. Okay, like this, it looks fine here. Right, so now it all looks good. Now let's go here, click on export. Here in info you can rename your video, choose better quality here. The resolution, we want it 4K, better quality. This will show you the format. The size of the exported video will be here. You can choose where you want your video to be exported. For this video's purpose, I'm choosing it in desktop, and you can click OK. Here you can see the progress of export. So far 4%, 7%, and then it goes on. And so I'm gonna fast forward again. Now that the video is exported, I get this notification here that the video export is completed. Now that the video is successfully exported, let's have a look. I wanted to keep this one super basic because according to me, the most important thing is that you finish your project and see it completed. Final Cut Pro can be a very strong and powerful editing software. However, its basic functions are very easy to learn. If I can learn it without going to an editing school, then you can learn it too. Get those videos from your phone or your recent trip together. Throw it in the Final Cut Pro. Use the basic edits you learned today and share it with your friends online. But don't forget to tag me on your videos. I would love to see what you have created. You can tag me using my Instagram handle, which is RamblingZoba. That's it for today. Like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out any videos from me. I will be uploading more Final Cut Pro tutorials, so make sure you stay tuned. See you all on my next video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.